SlipDoctors Dura Grip non-slip epoxy paint is a simple and inexpensive solution to reduce the likelihood of slip and fall injuries. Application of the high-performance non-skid textured epoxy coating provides safe foot traffic in both wet and dry conditions. To start, mix the epoxy paint thoroughly. I'm hand shaking it, but you can use a drill or a wooden paddle. Next, you're going to need a 3/8 inch nap roller, a pan, and the paint. Open the paint, dump it into the pan, and begin coating your roller. While the roller soaks and gets the paint saturated, you can clean the floor using a broom or a vacuum so that it is clear of dust and debris. The Dura Grip epoxy paint comes in a wide variety of colors, including black, brown, white, light and medium gray, safety blue, safety red, safety yellow, and sand. I chose the light gray option for my floor. Look how easily it goes on. Roll the paint onto the floor using smooth, easy strokes. The second coat should be applied at a right angle to the first coat, about 2 to 4 hours after the first coat has been applied. For general cleaning and maintenance, rinse with light pressure rinsing. To remove oily deposits or foreign matter, use a pH neutral cleaner and scrub lightly with a soft bristle or deck brush. Do not use alcohol-based cleaners as they may affect the durability. Consult the product's label or the SlipDoctors website for more detailed application instructions.